How to restrict someone in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can restrict someone in Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To restrict someone on Instagram, it's pretty simple. Locate your Instagram app, then open it up. After you're on your Instagram, to restrict someone, you'll first need to head over to their profile. So to do that, head over to the search bar, search for the profile. After you find the profile, open it up. And after you're here, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then you'll find the restrict button. Tap on restrict. And from here, you will see what restricting someone does. They won't be able to see if you're online or when you've read their messages, and their messages will be moved to message requests. Only you will know if, and they will be able to see their new comments on your post unless you approve them, and so on and on. If you're confirmed that you want to restrict them, confirm this by tapping on restrict, and the account is now restricted. And that's basically how you do it. Now there you can see there is an option to unrestrict it by heading over to the profile again. Tap on unrestrict to unrestrict them. And that's basically it guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.